Welcome to Titchfield Park, Green Flag Award winner and home of Scoop the dog. Hello pretty ducky, how are you today? I have some lovely elephant for you. Aww. Skippy is going to demonstrate how this machine works. Please demonstrate for the safety audience.
Actually, I might just not getting out of here. So actually,
Are you stuck there?
I'm stuck. Yeah, it's too heavy. But
Lift it.
well, someone's bugging about with it.
It's for kids, isn't it? What is this blue, Skippy? We're cranking up. Are you cranking up?
Come on now.
Go on, show me some strength.
Oh, I've been really weak, so I thought someone's been bugging about with these.
Do some gymnastics. Heave ho. Heave ho. Push.
I can't.
Push.
It's too heavy.
Push. Come on, little one.
Well,
Come on, little
can you
one.
put that thing down? Help me out, man. I'm stuck.
He's worshipping the statue.
Who am I worshipping?
This
Into?
exercise. This machine.
I'm on the floor. So what's the like, oriental theme here?
This is a special flower display planted by school children in Mansfield and often judged and looked over by the Morn Conservation Group.
I think it's great. Yeah, it's great kids are taught to do stuff like that, not go on their computers or tablets all the time.
So in the future we shall see how this lovely flower display grows. We've got this lovely bridge. You're going to walk on that bridge, Skippy. Is it going to go crack?